Hi everyone! I am going to show you an instant mac and cheese. This is perfect for busy people or if you are in a budget. Fill the pot with 1/2 water depending on how much you're making. Bring it to boil. We need 1 pack of hot dogs. There will be 10 pieces on that package. Once the water is boiling, add the hot dog. Cook it for 2 minutes, then remove it. So this is the inside of the mac and cheese. We call it Kraft Dinner. So in a box, there are 225 grams of noodles and 1 packet of cheese powder. In this recipe, we need 2 boxes of Kraft Dinner, which has a total of 450 grams noodles, and 1 pack of hot dogs. So we cut the hot dogs into thin slices and we set it aside. Then we add the noodles or pasta and cook it for 6 minutes only. Make sure you stir it so it doesn't stick on the bottom. We don't want it overcooked, so make sure you pay attention. As you all know, this is a very famous meal in North America and it's also on a budget. We call it Kraft Dinner. So once the pasta is cooked, drain it and rinse with water to remove the starch and also not to overcook the pasta. Then put it back in a pot. Add 1/2 cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, or you can use olive oil. Mix it. Add 2 packets of cheese powder. Let's mix it again so the powder are distributed properly. And if you think your pasta is dry, then you can add more milk. While I'm mixing this, I still put it in a low heat for just a minute. And make sure you pay attention so it doesn't overcook. Now we can add the hot dogs. And we mix it again. The food is ready to serve. You can add some garnish if you want to add more twist onto your mac and cheese. But this is very simple and easy to make. Time to eat! Thank you again guys for watching my video. I really appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe.